Hello guys, welcome to Nxt Invent Solutions official YouTube channel. Today we will start a new series of WordPress website development course. In this series we will learn complete WordPress website development one by one. In this video I will show how to install and use WordPress in your local system. So let's get started. What is WordPress? According to Wikipedia, WordPress is a free and open-source content management system written in PHP and paired with a MySQL or MariaDB database. Features include a plugin architecture and a template system, referred to within WordPress as themes. To install WordPress in your local machine we need to follow some steps. Step 1. To install WordPress on your local machine you need to have installed XAMPP in your Windows operating system. To know how to install XAMPP in your local system please check out I button or description for link. Step 2. Open XAMPP server control panel and start Apache and MySQL services. Step 3. Download WordPress setup from wordpress.org website and save it to your local machine. Step 4. Create your project folder under XAMPP/HiteDocs folder. For example, Nxt. Step 5. Copy the downloaded WordPress setup into newly created folder and extract it here. Step 6. Go to your favorite browser and write localhost/myadmin in URL. This is your MySQL database dashboard. Create a database with a unique name. For example, Nxt. Step 7. Open a new tab in browser and write localhost/folder name in URL. For example, localhost/nxt. Follow the instruction as shown on your screen. 1. Choose your WordPress language. 2. Enter your database name. 3. Enter your MySQL username. 4. Enter your MySQL password. 5. Database host. 6. Table prefix. Click Submit and then click on Run Installation. 1. Enter your site title. 2. Enter your site admin username. 3. Enter your site admin password. 4. Confirm your weak password. 5. Enter your admin email. Click on Install WordPress to start installation. If everything is right, your WordPress setup is complete within a minute. Visit your admin panel by entering localhost/folder name/wp-admin. For example, localhost/nxt/wp-admin. Log in to admin panel with your username and password. Here is your WordPress admin panel and you can control your WordPress website from here. Hope you enjoy this video. If you find anything knowledgeable, please hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.